I want to show you how to using shortcut, keyboard shortcut keys. Okay, let me show you shortcut. Okay, first of all, double click and refresh on keyboard KE. Double click on keyboard E. Okay, let's see that. Okay, double click on keyboard letter E and refreshing your machine. Okay, let's see how to delete something. Example, new folder. That's new folder. Look that. You click here, Control D, press D. I delete that file. Okay. Good. Okay. Then Control plus C to save. Okay. Control plus C to save something you are done. Okay. Control plus P at the printer. Okay. Control plus A and to select all. Let me show you example. Like that. Control I, select all. Okay. Control plus D, plus B. Add to board your character. Okay, boarding character. Okay, Control plus V, add paste. Okay, like that. Wait. Show you. Okay, let me show you something like Control plus C, add copy. Control like that. Control plus C and look on your screen. Control like here. Control plus V add to paste. Look that file. Okay. Then Control plus X add to card. Okay. Wait. Okay. Control plus X to cut that and paste like here. Control. Okay. Control plus V to paste. Okay. These two sides. Okay. And Control plus O plus F. Control plus Alt plus F add to close your file and shut down. Let me show you. Control plus Alt and wait. F4. I don't have it. Okay, or F4. Control at F4 plus F4 means close your file and shut down. Okay, let me show next. Control plus O, open new folder. Okay, thanks to watch this video.